you have to make backup for MISC data, for SPD, and the ProInfo for MTK's phones. After that, you need to edit the super. First of all, you will load the file, the super file first here. You'll wait for a few minutes for it to be patched. As you can see, this file is already edited, but I'm showing this because I need you to understand that if you have a super file, first of all, you need to patch here this SPT1, as you can see. Then the same file you edited at the first step at SPT1, you have to load it again here. Same file at SP2, because there are two security that are available in the file. As you can see, the file is already edited. Means this file is good to restore on your phone. Okay? After that, I'm sorry, I had a phone call. Okay? So after that, you go edit info or MISC data. Just you come here and load this ProInfo. You choose which one you want to edit. If it's a ProInfo, you select ProInfo. Then you click edit it. Okay? So after doing that, this also is already edited. Okay? That's why you get this message. Okay? So after that, restore the file to your phone. I think I'll provide you the informations and instructions how to restore your super file and the ProInfo MISC data on your phone. After that, you just turn on the phone, enable ADB. You come and check if ADB is enabled. If the ADB is enabled, then you'll bypass the phone using